Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2016 Harley Davidson Softail Slim that I want to show you. The bike is in mysterious red, beautiful, deep, metallic burgundy color. Has 103 motor, 6-speed transmission. This one has the factory exhaust. It's had an engine guard added up front. Very, very low miles on this bike. You see the tires still have the knobs on them. I think it's got about 107 miles, so these are the original tires. Had a little handlebar bag put up here. Paint's just beautiful. Bike's in excellent condition. It's like new with 107 miles. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. Factory exhaust is pretty quiet. $107 miles. We ran it through our service department just to make sure everything was in good shape. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. This one qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.